Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Finding the farthest left position of a particle means we need to minimize the position function by analyzing the velocity over the given time interval. The particle reaches its leftmost point when the position function is at an absolute minimum. We must check the endpoints of the interval and any critical points where velocity equals 0. Velocity is the derivative of position. Setting the equation to 0 and using a calculator shows velocity changes from negative to positive at time 2.554. Evaluating the integral of velocity confirms this critical point yields the minimum position. This makes option C the farthest left location. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush, trust given values, and check steps carefully.